Are you tired of the same Valentine's Day routine? Flowers, chocolates, and a fancy dinner. Boring. This year, let's spice things up and make it a Valentine's Day to remember. Imagine surprising your significant other with a unique and thoughtful gift that they'll never see coming. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Valentine's Day truly special for the one you love. First thing first, let's talk about gifts. Instead of the usual bouquet of flowers, why not create a DIY terrarium? It's a fun and creative way to show your significant other that you care, and it's something they can keep for a long time. Plus, it's a great conversation starter for when you have guests over. Next up, let's talk about the grand gesture. Instead of just making dinner reservations, why not plan a surprise weekend getaway? It's a great way to show your loved ones that you want to spend quality time with them and create new memories together. Plus, it's a great way to escape the daily grind and just relax and enjoy each other's company. Lastly, let's talk about something that's often overlooked on Valentine's Day: the little things. It's the small gestures that can make a big impact. Whether it's making their morning coffee or leaving a love note in their car. It's the little things that show them that you are thinking of them and that you care. Valentine's Day is all about showing your significant other how much you care. And I hope these ideas have inspired you to think out of the box and make it a day to remember. Remember, it's not about the grand gestures. It's about the little things that make a big impact. So go out there and make your Valentine's Day special. And don't forget to have fun. If you like our video, please consider subscribing and share it with your friends and loved ones. Happy Valentine's Day!